Hello and welcome back, fellow traders. Bitcoin is currently breaking the channel, but there's still hope. Stay with me. So, as you can see on the daily, we are currently breaking this support channel and we had a 4-hour close below it. But as you can see, there is no big volume coming in. So that's a good thing for us. There is no spike in volume that gives us the idea that we're gonna sell a lot. So in these past 2 months or 3, we already have twice a dip below on the daily below this channel. And if we zoom on the 4-hour chart, there is something similar in both cases, which are exactly the same as our case today. So let's zoom in. The 4-hour close of these past times, we can clearly see that when we dipped and closed below a 4-hour close, we also had a bullish divergence. Let me make it yellow. A bullish divergence here and here. You can see that the RSI is giving us a bullish divergence, and what happened next? It continued on the upside. So let's move to the other example. We also had a bullish divergence here, and the RSI is making a higher low, giving us an RSI bullish divergence. And what do we have now? Let us zoom in. As you can see, we have a potential bullish divergence again, which suggests to us this could be an exact imitation of these past events. So it is good to be cautious. I'm not saying that it's nice to see the price going below certain levels and certain trend lines, but do not panic sell. We must have a daily confirmation break below this channel. If we have that confirmation, then yes, we can flip bearish for the short term, because on the long term we're still bullish. But on the short term, yes, we would be going around the 30Ks. Another confirmation I would like to see, if we break that channel, I would like to see, not I would like, because I would like Bitcoin to go to 100K, but to be extra certain that we're going back to the 30K, I would have to see a close below this line, 37,600, which would mean a lower low for the Bitcoin structure. But for now, as I told you, we need a daily close below that white channel. If we have a pullback or a price going back up, do not panic sell, because you'll lose everything for nothing. So that's my message to you. Keep tough, keep hodling, and let's see today how the daily close will eventually close. See you on the next one.